In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tasks to CSV. This is an essential guide if you're looking to manage your projects more flexibly, giving you the ability to analyze data using various tools like Excel or Google Sheets. To start this simple process, you need to first head over to ClickUp's website. Open your preferred browser and log in to your ClickUp account. It goes without saying that being familiar with your workflow on ClickUp is a primary step to making the most out of your data export. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the specific space within ClickUp where your tasks are stored. Think of spaces as your primary work area within ClickUp, helping you stay organized by keeping related tasks together. Use the left-hand navigation to find and select the space you're interested in exporting from. Once you've selected your space, click on List. This option is readily available and is where most of your actionable tasks are compiled, making it crucial for accessing key task-related data. After opening your list, you'll want to customize the view. Click on the Customize button, which will allow you to adjust how tasks are displayed, tailoring the export to exactly what your team needs. This feature lets you choose which columns are visible, so you can include only the most relevant information and avoid clutter. Now, make your way to the Export View option from the same menu. This step begins the actual process of moving your data out of ClickUp into a format that other software can utilize. Following this, select the CSV option from the list of available formats. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a universally recognized format that provides a simple way to import data into other applications. This format's versatility makes it ideal for sharing tasks and their details with colleagues or stakeholders who might not use ClickUp themselves. Finally, after selecting CSV, all that's left is to hit Download. Your CSV file will begin downloading onto your computer, containing all your customized tasks, ready for you to manipulate outside of ClickUp. To wrap it up, exporting your ClickUp task as a CSV file is a straightforward process once you're familiar with the steps needed. Accessing your ClickUp account, navigating to the appropriate space, customizing your view, and finally exporting and downloading your data. By following these instructions, you're ensuring your team has the tools necessary to analyze task data efficiently, facilitating better project management and decision making. Remember, these steps can be repeated as often as needed, each time with the flexibility of customizing the data to fit your project's ever-evolving demands.